Hey, welcome back to the Vietnamese cooking show. Today we're eating Vietnamese style chicken wings. The main ingredients is fish sauce, which is an Asian delicacy, but you can find it in America. A lot of people may not like it, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it.
Alright, first things first, we gotta get this chicken cooking, baby. I'm just gonna assume that everybody knows how to cook chicken, so we're just gonna skip on right past this part, guy. Alright, when these babies are as gold as taking third place in the Olympics, it's time to take them out. Now it's time to make that sweet, sweet fish sauce. Man, I hope you're ready. This is gonna be sweeter than Betty Crocker's bloodstream. So let's get started. First, let's get 2 spoons of cooking oil. Let's start frying up that chopped garlic. We're gonna have about 3 spoons of the chopped garlic. Alright, once we get that golden color we all love, it's time to take the garlic out and set it to the side. And from here we can jump straight into cooking that fish sauce. Alright, so we're going to use 6 tablespoons of the fish sauce. And I'll put a picture on the screen right now because this is the main ingredient and this is what you'll have to find probably online. We cook with fish sauce a lot, so you'll have a plethora of recipes to use this fish sauce with. Now it's time for 8 tablespoons of sugar. Four tablespoons of water. That's H2O, yeah. It wouldn't be Vietnamese food without some MSG, so let's get a half a tablespoon in there. Alright, now we're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. We're just going to let it caramelize. Let it get a little thickness on it. And then we're going to add in the garlic. Alright, that's it. It's that easy. Now you just take your chicken, toss it around in there, and then you could grab some of that garlic and sprinkle it over your plate, make it a little fancy. Alright, and as always, hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe and leave some comments. Let me know what you thought. See ya!